Ah, what a gotta wipe out the sauce, the marinara sauce. Hello and welcome back to the channel. So it's lunchtime today at my workplace. You can see the nice big whiteboard at the back. So what did I decide to do for lunch today? Lazy to walk out, very malas, very hot. So I decided to order DahMakan. So the rider just came and passed this to me, and he's a very nice guy. He gave the food to me, and then he's like, "Have a good day, God bless you, enjoy your food." Then I told him this is my first time ordering DahMakan. Then he's like, "Mesti sedap, jangan risau bro, mesti sedap." So I'm like, okay lah. He says mesti sedap, and okay lah. Although I wanted to give him back this paper bag because it's so huge and I won't do anything with it. But luckily it's paper, so maybe I can recycle it. So food inside. Don't you get so happy when you see something that says food inside? Like, oh, it's like love inside kind of thing. So let's see what's inside. Let's see. So this is what I ordered. Okay, so they promote DahMakan throughout the week. This is what I ordered. It's mac and cheese with chicken meatball. So I'm not sure what is the G for. Like, I'm a G tang kind of thing. So never mind. I leave that aside. So I got this for, the total charge on this was 11 ringgit 92 cents. So I gave the guy 12 ringgit and I said, never mind, it's okay, keep the change. I know it's not the biggest amount of change, but the guy was so nice. Now I feel bad for not tipping him, but never mind, let's okay. I hope he rides safe, and whatever your name is, you're a really good rider, so thank you. So the delivery time was between 12:40 to 1:40. I got it about 1:15. Okay lah, not too bad lah, good. So let's bring the camera closer. And what did I get today? That's your mac and cheese with the chicken meatball. I think it's pretty decent for 11 ringgit. Thank you DahMakan, because I'm a first time customer. You gave me some discounts all. It's supposed to be about 15 bucks. I got it for 11.92. So thank you so much. We'll see how it tastes actually. Let's just take a quick bite. Let's just take a quick bite. There's an option for cutlery which I didn't take because what's the use, right? I know maybe the cutlery looks nice lah, but it's okay lah. Going green. I always believe in going green. If I don't need it, I don't take it. Nice. Oh, meatball is too big. I'm not going to put the whole thing in my mouth though, so. Nice. Pretty decent for a price. So, enjoy yourself. I got some code from DahMakan to order. So, go on to my Instagram, r_win14. Make sure you like, subscribe and share to The Speeding Mole. Okay.
2 hours later.
What a gotta wipe out the sauce, the marinara sauce. So you want to see what's the aftermath? I'm not going to show you on camera, but there was sauce all over around, and I practically licked the whole thing. Like, I was like, it's that nice. DahMakan, it really got some good stuff, man.